I don't know if I caught that.
Oh my God.
What? That was awesome.
Crazy. I want to do that from right here. It's gonna mangle this.
I don't know. Do you think it will clog? Nope, it did it.
Actually, it looked really cool. Even though it didn't get that much air, it just shot up. Boy, this side. I did a barrel roll. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that.
Ramp destroyer.
Oh!
Oh, that was awesome.
That was crazy. Oh my God. Daddy, you have to post that and show Nana.
I am gonna
If
post
you
it.
can't, if you can't post it in time, then just show the video. And actually, Tony's coming too, so show Tony too.
Okay, well I can.
They're coming for dinner.
Tree.
Oh, it's hit myself.
It's a miss.
Piece of pine straw. Stupid.
It's another miss. You treat it. What happened?
The pine. Oh, look what it did to the pine.
You tore my yard up. I see that.
I wanted to use my hands. I only want to use the bump. But if it's on his wheels, I just use my foot by pushing. Well, I might use my hands, but I'll often use my foot. Let's do this.
Nice. What do you say about that?
Oh,
I caught it. I caught it. You want me to post it?
Not yet. I want to keep doing this. That's not going to be
Okay.
a long video. We keep doing like a vlog channel and not that long.
You know what? I posted a video today for you of all of our tire stuff.
But it's, our videos aren't that long, so
It was 30
I wanna
minutes.
more, I wanna more. Like, we started up with a couple of long videos, so we stopped it up with vlog channel.
Oh no! The poor driver in that truck's probably hurt. Check on him.
Ah, check the driver. I can't see the driver.
Somebody put stickers over his windows. Is he okay?
Yes, he's okay.
Okay, that's good.
He's not even hurt, but it looks like there's a tornado in there.
Oh no!
No, there's not really. It just looks like it.
It looks like it.
Actually, the driver's name is Tornado Shooter, so that's why there's a tornado in there.
Well, that makes sense. That is a miss.
Oh, two wheels, two wheels. I made it.
Oh, destruction.
Yep.
I'm going to rename you to Destruction.
No! I forgot that box is
You
super
destructed yourself.
heavy. I forgot that box was super heavy. Like, I don't know if you guys guys know, if you've ever carried one of these, it's super heavy.
A carburetor.
Yeah. Super heavy. Okay, no. Back this box up. Like about that much. Just, it's that much. That was probably good. Yep. Look at the truck.
What is this paint scheme? What do you think? Does it look good flying?
What?
Does it look good flying through the air and going
Yes,
fast?
yeah. It has a lot of light colors, and it's also sparkly, so that helps too. So it's easy to fly the truck with this shell on.
I think the truck is scared.
No, the driver's scared. Tornado shooter's scared.
He's scared he doesn't want to go on that ramp.
He went on once and he crashed like 2 times. He thought he was in sink sand because he was stuck. He was not as scared that time, but after that he was like, oh, I'm not doing it. I am a bad driver.
You're not a bad driver. You're just oversteering. Just gotta make smaller adjustments with your steering wheel. That's all.
Finally did one of the jumps.
Woohoo! Yay!
No, don't end it.
Well, it's gonna get so long I have to edit it.
I know.
I don't want to edit it.
Oh, it did too. It went in the air on the side, and the tree kind of helped it.
I know it swerved away from the ramp at the last second.
That was a pro. That was pro.
He still missed the ramp though.
No, I mean, when it went out of the air on
Yeah.
its side, that's what I meant was a pro. Okay.
Ah, nice.
Get back in your chair. Whew. I just saw that I was about to hit the truck tire, like the real truck tire, not this truck's tire, and it was like, I had to slow down.
Nice.
This driver is not getting as scared of it.
Not as scared. You know what it probably is, the problem? There's probably a bunch of angry yellow jackets in there with him. And he's trying to swat at them.
Yeah.
Is that the problem?
Well, yeah, guys. If you didn't know, there's something that happened that was really bad yesterday. I got stung 2 times, but we don't know which one it was. It was a wasp or a yellow jacket.
We're not sure. We don't think.
It could have been a bee, but probably not, because if it was, then that means we stepped on their hive or we got too close to their hive.
I don't think it was murder hornets. Do you think it was murder hornets? I don't
Actually,
think
I
it
know why
was.
the driver's freaking out.
Why?
Because there's bullet ants in there. Bullet ants
Ah!
are the worst. You know why?
Why is that?
The bullet ants, they sting as hard as a bullet
Whoa.
from a gun.
Whoa, that wouldn't be good if it had bullet ants in there.
But thankfully, we live in Georgia, and there's not none in Georgia or America.
Okay, send it.
Wait, there none in America?
Not in North America.
Oh my gosh!
That was awesome. Let's try that again. I'm going to get back here so I can see the full. Now I'm going to post the video. It's 10 minutes long. You were making it wiggle in the air. Did you see that? You can watch the video. I'll show you.
No. I'll tell you when to end it.
Okay.
Okay, end it.
Later.
I wanted to see a big, huge ramp. So at the end, so that's why I wanted it to be really
This
crazy.
video is brought to you by Traxxas and GoPro.
Yep.
Later. What do you say to everybody?
And they made hobby protest. And the other ones sponsored by Techno.
Yay! Say goodbye, everybody.
Bye.